guys, it's Amber. So welcome to my closet. My closet is kind of a scary place right now. It is not organized at all. I have not gone through and pre-organized this so I can be like, oh, look at how organized my closet is. Now I'm going to organize it. No. This is how it really looks right now, and obviously it's in desperate need of some makeover. So what I'm going to be doing today is going through different sections, and I'll break them up into different videos of going through and decluttering my clothes. Before I begin, I want to share with you some of my intentions on doing this, what I expect to achieve, and why I'm doing this. I am not doing this just to get down to like a super minimal wardrobe. I don't want to be like, I'm going to declutter everything but 10 pieces and have just like a capsule wardrobe. I'm really okay keeping trendy pieces and classic pieces. Like I really don't have like a goal as far as what I want my closet to look like. I just wanted to include things that I'm actually going to wear, things that actually fit me, so I can get rid of some of those stuff, and then I can see where there's holes in my wardrobe. Be like, wow, I'm really lacking in this area. I don't have very many tops that go with this, or I don't have any bottoms that work for this. So I know what I need, because right now looking at this, I would have no idea what's in here, what I need, because everything is just disorganized.
Hi, Mommy.
So I'm not going to do the KonMari method where I pull everything out and put it on my bed, because although I do like that, I feel like I understand why she has you do that, so you can look at the amount of clothes that you have and just be like, wow, there's so much. But like I said, I'm not looking to dwindle this down to a certain amount of numbers. I don't have an excessively large closet where there's just racks and racks of clothes. I honestly think that, considering what I have that is sweaters and shirts and long sleeves and dresses, like, my wardrobe isn't super crazy, in my opinion. I don't feel overwhelmed by the amount of clothes I have. I'm also not lacking for space, so it's not like that kind of issue. This is just more or less, I want to have things in my closet that I will wear. I do want to find items that spark joy, but I'm not necessarily going to get rid of items that don't spark joy. Like, okay, my winter coat, does it spark joy? Maybe not. But you know what? There might be a really cold day where I need to have it, so I'm going to keep it. But I do struggle a little bit with parting with items that are expensive. I struggle with sometimes, keeping things that aren't the right size, but I really love them. I struggle a little bit with keeping things that are kind of out of style, but for one reason or another, I really liked that item, or I kind of link it to a memory or something. And so I do know that there are some things in my wardrobe that I've held on to for a really long time that I definitely need to get rid of. When I moved here, I was a size 14, 16, and now I am a size 4, 6. So obviously a huge drastic difference in my sizing, and there are things that just don't look good on me even if I like them. And there's some things that work oversized, like some sweaters and things, but there's other things that don't. They just don't look right. They don't flatter my body how it is right now. There's going to be some definite no's, I'm sure, but there's going to be some items that maybe I'm thinking about, and maybe after I get your guys' feedback, I might keep them or get rid of them. And there might be some things that I have to try on to see how they look before I can decide. All right, so I'm just going to start over on this side and just start working over. Now I have a laundry basket down here at the bottom, so if there's anything that I think I'm going to give up, I will just throw it there. And I'm just wearing a plain black tee so I can try some of these things on and see how they look, see if they fit me and flatter me the way that I want them to. I apologize if the angle isn't quite perfect. This is the best I can do with the space between my bed, my closet, with my lens, and I have walls here that I can't remove, so it is what it is. I don't have a giant room that's my closet, so I'm just working with what I've got. All right, I brought a chair in so I can stand on it so I can show you guys, just so I can keep the clothes in the right angle. This shirt is kind of big and flowy, but I feel like this could still work, even though it's oversized. I could probably belt it and wear it with some leggings. So I feel like this is one I'm going to keep. Again, this sweater is a little oversized, but I think it still fits okay, so I'm going to keep this one as well. This shirt I think fits me okay, but I just feel like it's not something that I reach for a lot, and I feel like this neckline really isn't in style, so I'm going to go ahead and pass this one along. Same with this shirt, it's a size small, so I think it fits me okay. This is one of those things that's hard for me because my sister gave this to me. So I am like, oh, I feel bad getting rid of it because so-and-so gave it to me. But when I look at it, is it something I'm excited about wearing? Not really. I don't know. I feel like I could wear this and I would be fine. I don't think anyone would think anything of it, but I just don't know that it really excites me. It kind of has the same neckline as the other one. So I guess this is one where I'm kind of like, this is a maybe for me because I feel like it could fit me okay, but I don't know. We'll see. All right, this is one that I like. I feel like cheetah or leopard print is always kind of in style, but I'm not sure because it has these studs on it, and I'm not sure that I really like studded pieces, so that is also going in the maybe pile. So this shirt for sure is going to be going. This is an extra large. I used to wear these really long drapey tops that were super big because when I was heavier, I carried a lot of my weight in my stomach, and I got tired of people asking me if I was pregnant or if I just had a baby. And so I would basically just like drown whatever shape I had in this. And it obviously is not the right size, so I'm getting rid of it. This button up I still like. I still wear that, so I'm going to keep that. I don't know. It's only from like Rue 21, and I kind of stopped shopping at these kinds of stores. I think maybe I should try this on and see what it looks like. And then this is just a green plaid. This one still fits. I'm not wearing it currently because it's hot, but I feel like I still like having plaid in my closet. This top I still really like. This is from the Ann Taylor Loft. It is oversized, but again, it looks really cute with the leggings. So I don't know what hanger that is on. It is like needs to be replaced. But this shirt, I feel like this kind of like, I don't know, ruffle thing here on the chest is kind of out. It's had its moment, and I'm ready to get rid of this. So this is like a nice basic to have in anyone's wardrobe. It's just a black button-up shirt. But the problem with this one is that the buttons are broken, and I haven't worn it or fixed it in a long time. So I'm just going to get rid of it. It's quite old. I don't really like the fit of it as well. I feel like the style with those giant cuffs isn't really in, so I'm just going to pass that along. This is just a classic white button-up. It still fits, so this is good. So this is just a long black cardigan, and I feel like that can kind of go over anything, so I'm going to keep that. Honestly, I forgot this was in here. This is just an everyday t-shirt, so I'll keep that. This is a sweater I think I got from a friend, and I'm going to have to see if I have anything that I would wear this with. I just don't feel like I wear as many cardigans now that I live in the South versus when I lived in Utah. There was always a reason to wear a cardigan. I know they're really cute for layering, but like we don't layer here. It's hot. So this is going to go in the maybe pile just to see if I have anything to even wear it with, because I've never even worn that. So again, these are all hand-me-down sweaters from a friend of mine. I like this pink sweater. I don't know. This is from H&M. Let me try it on. Yeah, I think the sizing is pretty good on this. I think I'll go ahead and keep this one. It's pretty classic. Now these two, honestly, they just don't really appeal to me. I don't know. They have a lot of wash wear on them. I don't really feel excited about them, so I'm going to go ahead and pass these on. Okay, so this is a gray cardigan, and I don't wear this a ton, but it is from Ann Taylor. It's a size small. I believe it still fits me. I need to see what I have that matches this, so I'm going to put it in the maybe pile, but I think I'll probably keep that. Now this went to a specific dress. It is a size 10, so I don't know if it fits me, so I'm going to see when I get to the dress section to see if that needs to go with it. And this top that I love, I'm going to keep. And again, this is something that went with this particular skirt, so unless I'm wearing that skirt, I don't ever reach for this. So I will wait to pair that up with the skirt. This is something I bought at Forever 21 years ago when these little flower lapel things were in. It's like the cropped kind of like, it's almost like a kimono style cropped cardigan. I don't see anyone wearing this. I don't know why I still have this. This is super old and not in style, and I'm getting rid of it. This Ann Taylor top, again, with the ruffles like this, I don't think that's really in style anymore. I'm going to get rid of that. This is really big, but I did really like this. Even though this is really oversized, I feel like if I paired this with something like form-fitting, I could probably make it work. This is just like a super comfy, like, I don't know. I can see it working more in the fall. It is really big. I don't know. Okay. Does this look ridiculous? Is this just too big on me? Tell me about this cardigan. I don't know. I like it, but I feel like it's big. I don't know. It just reminds me of something my mom would wear, so I think I'm going to pass that on. This blue cardigan, it's a size small. I think it goes with something specific. Okay, this shirt I like for like really comfy casual days. It's hooded, it's super casual. I just wear it with like printed leggings, so I do like this one. This top is a little big on me, but I do love the floral and a little peplum, so I feel like if I wear it with like skinny jeans, I can still make it work. This is long sleeved, it still fits. I don't wear it right now because it's hot outside, but I want to keep this. This shirt I like, but it is just really big. It's just, because the neckline is so big, it ends up just kind of looking drapey, and I'm okay letting it go. This shirt I recently purchased, but I don't know why I hung it up after I wore it. It needs to be washed, so let's wash that. Okay, this shirt is kind of a sad story. So this shirt actually looked good on me when I first started losing weight. I actually got this thrifting, and it's cute because it buttons up here and then it ties with a bow, and I used to get a ton of compliments on this shirt. I think I'm going to keep it, but it's just hard because when it fit just kind of snug across here and I actually had more to fill this up, it looked really good. And now it just, I don't fill it out anymore, so it doesn't really look that cute. So that kind of stinks, but I think I'm still going to keep it and see, because I feel like it's close enough that I could maybe make it work, and then if I don't end up wearing it, I'll get rid of it. Guys, I have so many cardigans. My mom is obsessed with cardigans, so she always wanted to buy me cardigans, and now I don't wear very much cardigans. Okay, a classic black cardigan I think I can always use, and I do like this purple one, so I'm going to keep both of these. This, don't know what I'm doing with that. This is just a polka dotted, this is a polka dotted button up, and I actually really like this to wear it tied. Super cute. Okay, this is one, I like this. At the time it was like super trendy, but I just don't really see anyone wearing this. It's kind of old. I think I'm going to pass it on. I don't know. This one's hard. This one's hard because I remember my mom got this for me for my birthday and I was super excited. It was like this hot pink. Little Mrs. hiding behind the door and giggling. I think it still fits me okay. I think I'm going to go ahead and keep this. This was kind of the style when you would wear like the ruffly blouses and then like the V-neck to go with it. I probably would wear it just more open. I still like the color. I don't know. This is why this is hard. Huh? Okay, so this is a plaid I still like. I'm going to keep this. This is a pretty classic cardigan again. So many cardigans. This should just be called Decluttering My Cardigans. I'm going to have to see if there's something that goes with that. I do not remember. I guess it's okay. I mean, it's not something that I'm like dying over. Okay, these fell off their hanger, so I'm just going to go through them right now. This is one that I bought at a thrift store. It just seems really juvenile for me now, so I'm just going to pass that along. This is, again, one of those oversized shirts that, you know, they just are big, and so I'm just going to pass that along. This shirt, I think, is still good. This shirt, oh, I forgot I had this. This is like a dress. I totally forgot about that. Right, well, that's why it's good to kind of look through these things. This shirt is still good, just long sleeved. And again, I forgot that I even had this. I couldn't wear this for a while. I really liked the shirt. It's from H&M, but like my arms were too big for these sleeves. And so whenever I tried to wear them, it would be so tight that I couldn't wear it. But I bet this fits now, so I'm going to keep that. And this is a shirt my friend gave me. I don't know what I was thinking why I even took this, because this is not like me at all. I don't ever gravitate towards these, you know, geometric patterns, but, you know, it was free. And I wore this in a video, and, like, I hated that video. I hated how my makeup turned out. I hated the thumbnail. I should just delete that whole video. It was just, I just watched it, I'm like, why am I wearing that? My hair was pulled back weird, and I'm just over it. All right, this is another plaid that I really like. This one I really like to, like, tie up. It's really cute. This, I think, was a workout top. It's very oversized. I don't like working out in these types of tops anymore because when I'm sweating and working hard, I don't like sleeves. It just bothers me. So I'm going to get rid of this. Even though my lovely sister gave it to me, I'm going to pass it along. This shirt I feel like is too short and too wide, even though I like the look of the like drawstring. I'm going to get rid of that. This is a shirt my mother-in-law gave me. I don't know. It's like I put it on and I don't think it looks bad, but then part of me feels like it doesn't look like me at all. But it does fit pretty cute. And I know these like little tiny florals are in style. I think I'm going to keep it. This one I wore a lot. I'm going to get rid of both of these. And another scout shirt, and I completely forgot that I had this entire jewelry hanger that is empty. I'm like thinking, okay, you give me like a high-waisted black skirt and tuck this in. Even though I don't love like the bottom of it, I feel like I could like make it work. I don't know. We'll see. I think I'm going to keep it. Sometimes it's really hard to tell with individual pieces without putting them together in an outfit. Sometimes there's things that I may keep that you think, why would you keep that? But then when you see it all together cohesively, it makes sense. There's probably other things I'm getting rid of that you may think that I should keep. But it really just comes down to what makes me feel good, what makes me feel happy, what do I feel like goes with the other clothes that I already have. Alright guys, so that's a pretty good start for me. My hanger selection drives my husband crazy. All of his are on like nice black hangers. I just need to get it together and just pick a hanger and change them out. That's something that doesn't bother me. I know for a lot of people, you're probably watching this going, oh my gosh, Amber, I can't even handle that. I'm sorry, I'm just one of those people that I just don't really care what kind of hanger it's on. But I will try to improve that in the future. No, it's not Pinterest worthy, but it works. It's functional at this point. I feel good about where it's at. I've kind of tried to organize it by like button-ups and like flowy tops, blouses, solid colored tops, floral tops. Put this with the florals. It's still a work in progress, but I think overall it's much better. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!